Exercise 8.3, question number 12. Find the projection of the vector I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap on the vector 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. Let A vector equal to I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap, B vector equal to 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. We want to find projection of A vector on B vector. The formula for projection of A vector on B vector is equal to A vector dot B vector by modulus of B vector. Substituting for A vector and B vector, this is equal to I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap dot 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap divided by modulus of 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. Finding the dot product. For that, multiply the components. 1 into 2 plus 3 into 6 plus 7 into 3 divided by square root of 2 square plus 6 square plus 3 square. Multiplying and adding is equal to 2 plus 18 plus 21 divided by square root of 4 plus 36 plus 9 is equal to 20 plus 21, 41. 41 by root 49. Root 49 is 7. Therefore, projection of A vector on B vector is equal to 41 by 7. Question number 13. Find lambda when the projection of A vector equal to lambda I cap plus j cap plus 4k cap on B vector equal to 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap is 4 units. So given A vector, B vector, projection of A vector on B vector equal to 4. Projection of A vector on B vector is A vector dot B vector by modulus of B vector equal to 4. Substituting for A vector and B vector, lambda I cap plus j cap plus 4k cap dot 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap divided by modulus of 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap equal to 4. Multiplying the components, lambda into 2 plus 1 into 6 plus 4 into 3 divided by square root of 2 square plus 6 square plus 3 square equal to 4. Multiplying 2 lambda plus 6 plus 12 by square root of 4 plus 36 plus 9 equal to 4. 2 lambda plus 6 plus 12, 18. 2 lambda plus 18 by square root of 49 equal to 7. Root 49 is 7 equal to 4. 2 lambda plus 18 by 7 equal to 4. Cross multiplying. 2 lambda plus 18 equal to 28. 2 lambda equal to 28 minus 18. 2 lambda equal to 10. Cancelling 2 with the 10. Get lambda is equal to 5. Therefore, the value of lambda is 5. Question number 14. Three vectors A vector, B vector and C vector are such that modulus of A vector equal to 2, modulus of B vector equal to 3, modulus of C vector equal to 4 and A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0 vector. Find 4 A vector dot B vector plus 3 B vector dot C vector plus 3 C vector dot A vector. இப்போ இதோட வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு we have to first find the value of A vector dot B vector, B vector dot C vector, C vector dot A vector. இதை வச்சு கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். Modulus of A vector 2, modulus of B vector 3, modulus of C vector 4. இப்போ இதை கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0 vector. இதில் இந்த C இந்த சைட் கொண்டு வந்தோம் அப்படின்னா A vector plus B vector equal to minus C vector. Squaring on both sides. A vector plus B vector whole square equal to minus C vector square. A plus B the whole square. This modulus of A vector square plus modulus of B vector square plus 2 A vector dot B vector equal to modulus of C vector square. Substituting the values, 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9 plus 2 A vector dot B vector equal to 4 square 16. 4 plus 9 13 plus 2 A vector dot B vector equal to 16. The 13 right side கொண்டு வரலாம். 2 A vector dot B vector equal to 16 minus 13 equal to 3. திரும்ப இந்த 2 right side கொண்டு வந்தா A vector dot B vector equal to 3 by 2. Similarly, அடுத்தது A right side கொண்டு வரலாம். A vector plus B vector equal to minus C vector, squaring on both sides. B vector plus C vector the whole square equal to minus A vector square. Expanding left hand side, B vector square plus C vector square plus 2 B vector dot C vector equal to modulus of A vector square. Substituting the values, 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 plus 2 B vector dot C vector equal to 2 square 4. 9 plus 16 25 plus 2 B vector dot C vector equal to 4. 25 right side கொண்டு வந்தோம்னா 2 B vector dot C vector equal to 4 minus 25 equal to minus 21. Therefore, B vector dot C vector equal to minus 21 by 2. Similarly, B right side கொண்டு வந்தோம் அப்படின்னா C vector plus A vector equal to minus B vector, squaring on both sides. C vector plus A vector the whole square equal to minus B vector whole square. Expanding, modulus of C vector square plus modulus of A vector square plus 2 C vector dot A vector equal to modulus of B vector square. Substituting the values, 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4 plus 2 C vector dot A vector equal to 3 square 9. 16 plus 4 20. 20 plus 2 C vector dot A vector is equal to 9. 20 taking it to right hand side, 2 C vector dot A vector is equal to 9 minus 20. 9 minus 20 is minus 11. திரும்ப இந்த 2 right side கொண்டு வந்தா C vector dot A vector equal to minus 11 by 2. Now we can find the value of this. 4 A vector dot B vector plus 3 B vector dot C vector plus 3 C vector dot A vector equal to 4. A dot B நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் 3 by 2 plus 3 B vector dot C vector is minus 21 by 2 plus 3 C vector dot A vector is minus 11 by 2. Multiplying 4 3s are 12 by 2 minus plus into minus minus 3 into 21 63 by 2 plus into minus minus 3 11s are 33 by 2. Subtracting 12 minus 63 minus 33 by 2 is equal to 12 minus 63 minus 33 minus 96. 12 minus 96 by 2. 12 minus 96 minus 84 by 2 dividing minus 42. Therefore, 4 A vector dot B vector plus 3 B vector dot C vector plus 3 C vector dot A vector is equal to minus 42.